Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos in an air fryer. Start by prepping fillings and shredding meat or vegetables while the fryer preheats to 375 degrees F. Warm tortillas briefly to prevent cracking, then layer fillings, cheese, and salsa. Arrange tacos wide apart in the basket and cook until shells are crisp and cheese melts, about 8 minutes, turning halfway for even browning and texture. Begin with simple, flavorful fillings that build quickly and taste fresh. Season shredded chicken, pork, or beans with a balanced spice mix and a splash of lime. Roast peppers and onions in the air fryer at 375 degrees F for a smoky touch, then combine with cheese and salsa. Layer ingredients to avoid soggy shells and finish with crisp toppings like lettuce or pickled onions for contrast and brightness. Quick recommendation and a small ad break. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, I found a useful book called The Simple Path to Wealth that helps you budget smarter, save for better ingredients, and think differently about spending on home cooking. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble tacos with intention to keep texture and flavor balanced. Start with a thin layer of cheese or sauce to help ingredients stick, then add protein and crunchy toppings last. Don't overfill. Leave room to fold or roll without tearing the tortilla. Cook assembled tacos briefly in the air fryer at 375 degrees F until cheese melts and edges turn golden, about 2 to 4 minutes, then garnish and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.